Hello, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle number 6382. 6382. Yeah. And before I start, I always kind of print the digits. This one, 17 print the digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. And that means in a row, in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1. Here no. 4 O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1, between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1's comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. The 4 O's we have here in the first row, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O, between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the first column, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here in the second row, so the rest are O's. And between 2 1s comes an O. Finished in 2 minutes. Well. Without comparing again. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.